Hey fitness friends, Desiree here and welcome back to Dansique Fitness. Today we are going to spice things up a bit because we will be using a prop, the mini exercise ball, which is probably one of my favorite props to use. In fact, I use it in all of my Pilates classes. I think it just makes all the exercises that much more fun and it really helps challenge your strength and coordination. So if you don't have a mini exercise ball at home, guess what guys, it doesn't even matter. You can still do this workout. You can use a pillow or you can roll up a towel. You could even use a full roll of toilet paper. I know that doesn't sound very glamorous, but it'll work just fine. You just need something soft that you can hold and squeeze in between your legs, okay? Here we go guys, let's start it up. Okay, timer set, and we are off. Let's go into a single leg stretch, and I really want you to press your ball or whatever prop that you're using into your thighs with the palms of your hand. So the arms, shoulders, chest, back are really working. Of course, that core is engaged, and we're imprinting the spine. Make sure you really press your whole spine down into the mat. We don't want that back to arch. Keep going. We have 16 seconds left. Really lengthen out the leg nice and long in front of you. Energy shooting out of those toes. 7 seconds. Keep going. Keep breathing. All right, great job, my friends. You have a 15-second rest, so just take some nice deep breaths here, and we'll go into some genie abs and tabletop. So we're squeezing the ball in between the legs, and we're lifting the knees to meet the arms, which are crossed. We do this 4 times, and then we're going to place the hands down, lift up into your tabletop, and lift those heels up 4 times as well. Keep squeezing that ball in between the thighs nice and tight, so we're really targeting the inner thighs. Good, really working the core here. Squeeze those buns, pick those hips up, and now we work those calves as we lift the heels up. 11 seconds, keep going. Nice job. All right, take some nice deep breaths and we'll move on to exercise number 3, which is a teaser exercise. So for this one, you are going to lower down your right leg as you release your right arm, and left leg and left arm. Good. So we're holding that ball around the ankles. Good. This is a tough one. Great one for the core. Of course, if you don't have the hamstring flexibility to straighten your legs all the way, that's okay. Just bend the knees and hold the ball more towards your thighs. Good. Keep the shoulders down. Neck is long. 7 seconds. Woo! Isn't that a fun one? That's a great one for your strength and your balance. All right, let's adjust to our center split or straddle split. And we're going to hold the ball above the head, press those shoulders down, and we're going to bend over to one side, up and over to the other side. Place the ball down on the floor and just roll it out as you reach forward. And roll up to sit up nice and tall. And we go again. Good. Make sure you keep the space between your shoulders and your ears at all times. We don't want to take any tension in the upper body. 15 seconds. Keep going, guys. Exhale on the bend. Exhale on the bend. Inhale to come up. And exhale, reach it straight out. Woo! All right, guys, great job. Let's get ready for exercise number 5. All right, so for this one, you're going to place the ball around your ankles, and we lower the leg down, double leg drop, lift the legs up, and again, take it down, lift it up. Third time, take it down, and we're going to do a little twist both ways and lift back up. Ooh, this is a great one for the lower abs, 26 seconds. Good. If it's a little too much to have your head, neck, and shoulders curled off the mat, just keep the head down. You can also place your hands under your bottom to help prevent your back from arching. Good. Keep imprinting that spine. That's very important. All right, friends. Excellent job. We are halfway done with this workout. We have 5 more left. So next up, we are going to adjust to our side. So laying down on one side, squeeze the ball in between the ankles. We lift both legs up and lower down. Good. So you're really squeezing that ball. And now we're going to lift to a passe and lower back down. And repeat. Core engage. Keep the hips stacked. Keep the shoulders stacked. Lift to that passe and lower back down. Lift up and lower down. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Good. This is a great one for the obliques. Good job. 6 seconds. Keep going. Almost there. Nice work. All right, friends, the next one is the exact same exercise, just on the other side. So sit up, swing those legs around, and let's try it again. All right, hips stacked, shoulders stacked, core engaged. Squeeze those legs up and bring it in and lower down. Good. So both legs are externally rotated from the hip. Good. And of course, part of the fun is trying not to drop your prop. It happens all the time though, so don't worry if it happens. Just keep going. 15 seconds. Keep going, guys. Keep breathing. Belly button in and up. Yes, great job. All right. Next up, we have a single leg stretch. This is one of my favorite exercises, and we are going to weave the ball under and around the legs. So the ball is making a figure 8 motion, under and around, under and around. Good. So when we do this, we really want to try to keep the upper body perfectly still. Just the legs are moving and just your arms, so you can pass that ball under and around. Imprint the spine. Keep the chin tucked. Legs nice and long. Good. 18 seconds. Keep going. 10 seconds. All right. Woo, great job, my friends. We have 2 more left. Stick with me. Let's adjust. Squeezing the ball between the legs, we're going into our shoulder bridge. Pick those hips up, and we're just pulsing the hips up here. And then we squeeze the ball in. So we lift up, 1, 2, 3, 4, squeeze in and release 4 times as well. So I'm really challenging myself by releasing my arms. If you feel like you're rocking and rolling all over the place, just keep your arms on the floor by your sides. Good. Press equally into the floor with both feet. We want to keep those hips nice and level. This is a great one for the buns and thighs. Woo, feel the burn. 4 seconds. All right, and roll it down. Nice job, guys. We have 1 more, so we're going to flip over onto the bellies for this one. Legs are open about the width of our mat. We're going to lift up into our back extension, and we're going to pass the ball around in a clockwise motion. And then we reverse the circle. So 2 times clockwise, 2 times counterclockwise. I'm also amping this up by lifting my legs off the floor. But if that's too much, just keep your legs down on your mat. Nothing wrong with that. Keep thinking of pulling your navel in and up to your spine. Shoulders down. Keep your gaze at the mat. 11 seconds. We're almost done. Finish strong, guys. Yay! You have done it. Nice job, my friends. I really hope you enjoyed this one. I, of course, enjoyed making this video for you, as I do all my videos. Please give this video a thumbs up if you completed it. And if you have any questions, as always, please do not hesitate to ask me down below. Share this video with your friends and help me spread the love. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and also hit that little bell icon so you are always notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much, my friends, for joining me today for this workout, and I will see all of you in the next one. Take care of you. Bye.